What is up, guys? Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can write a review on Booking.com. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open Booking.com on your browser. It is easier to navigate than the app. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right-hand side where it shows your account. Click on your account and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Reviews from this menu. In the review section, you'll see any pending or property reviews. If you've had any trips, they'll be listed here for you to review. Since I don't have any trips currently, it shows no reviews. If you have trips, choose the one you want to review and write your feedback. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.